Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We have the FabFitFun spring box. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal lifestyle subscription box. Seasonal meaning comes out with the seasons, winter, spring, summer, fall. Lifestyle means it's lifestyle products. So home, fashion, they have some items in here that are jewelry, makeup, cosmetics, skincare. They have fit in their name, so every once in a while we do also get fit items in here as well. They've actually been pretty good about that lately. The box is $54.99. If you subscribe annually, you do get a discount. You also get to customize your entire box if you are annual, and then most of your box if you are seasonal. If you want a discount and not subscribe annually, I will put a link down in my description. They'll give you $10 off of your first box. It is a referral link. It helps my channel out, but it doesn't cost you any more to use it. And if not, you can just type in FabFitFun.com, go to their website. You won't get the $10 off, but it's still a great deal even at $54.99. Let's open her up. This season was not my favorite, but I still think I'm gonna get my value in here one way or another. Some of the things that I really wanted sold out because I was working during customization day. So I just happened to not be able to get to my computer, and very unfortunate for me, but yes, I didn't grab the Fenty, which was one of the items I was really excited for, and one of the big brand names they had in here, but you know, we still got some really good stuff. I love the color for this. It's super bright and definitely says spring. This is going to also, I think, have my mystery bundle. Yeah, so there's a couple. I added an extra item, and then I also have a mystery bundle that I get as a refill, so it comes every single time. So I'm gonna pull those out, so we'll just do the box right now. Okay, here we go. We've been giving some feedback that we're kind of upset that they didn't put the items in here, and I do think it's probably a supply chain issue, but I wanna check in here. Nope, they still have a QR code for the spring products. So they waste this entire sheet for that QR code. Maybe they just wanna print these really early, but this sheet could easily just have all the items on it instead. It is what it is though. I happen to have this over here that is already up and open because I assumed it was gonna be that way. This is very magazine-like. You get other magazine-like recipes. Oh, it opened to recipes right when I said that. That's pretty cool. Here's another recipe right there. You also get some information about the products inside. So here's the different products that we're talking about in here. And, you know, just I think it has a crossword too. I honestly don't use this all that much. One time it had horoscope, but I don't feel like it always does. Oh, this is cool. Some positive, spark someone else's happiness. I love this. You can do hard things. Be kind to yourself. You deserve it. You make a difference. The world needs more people like you. I truly believe in positive self-talk. I even think our bodies listen to us. I actually believe that that works. At least it works for me. I do think there's a mind-body connection. So I like to speak things out loud when I say them to myself. So I love this. Spark someone else's happiness with these, but then it says speak into existence with these. I take good care of my mental and physical health. That's something that I probably would say to myself. Or I am capable and courageous. That's cool. I wouldn't say that one, but that's cool. I am taking small steps toward my goals. I need that one because we're studying for an LSAT right now. So perfect, perfect. I love that theme they have going there. We also get some stickers. We get some of their propaganda to get us to, you know, sign up for HelloFresh literally every time. And this Bright Sellers, I never do, but we do get that. So I'm gonna try to go in order, but I'm not sure that I have memorized the order. I know for sure what was in number one because what I wanted was the Fenty and it sold out. So I did pick my second favorite item. And for second favorite, it was from Caravan, the Lazy Susan made of acacia wood. I did say in my video, acacia is a very sustainable wood. It's also really strong. They make furniture out of it. So it's gonna be durable, and you can even use it as a cutting board. This one's a Lazy Susan, so it's moving around. Let me pull this out before I keep talking. This one's a Lazy Susan, so I wouldn't use this particular one as a cutting board, but it does have that kind of durability to it that you could have that strength. I'm gonna try to see if this fits somewhere in my pantry. Right now I have some that are plastic instead of made of wood. So hopefully, yeah, we'll see. The only downside to this is it's hand wash, with a damp cloth. So if I were to spill on it or something, you can't machine wash this. You have to scrub it off and I probably wouldn't soak it in water either or anything like that. So just be careful the items that you put on it, because if you get syrup or something stuck on here, like, I don't know. I don't really spill that many things in my pantry, so I feel like I'm gonna be fine. It's not my refrigerator. My refrigerator, every once in a while, there's something that I have to like deep clean, but I feel like my pantry should be fine. So this is also not refrigerator safe, by the way, and it has stainless steel in here, down here, so it's not microwave safe. I don't know why you would put it in the microwave, but they do mention that it's not microwave safe, so it's not. That item was made in China. I know a lot of people actually ask me when I unbox something, where is something made? So that one is made in China. It feels really sturdy though. I didn't expect it to be that thick. This next item is from Bando. More kitchen stuff. I love glitter. I don't need more cups. It's basically tumblers. I don't need them. This is a set of 4. But I love glitter so much, and it has a little glitter specks in it. And these are good for the pool, or if when you go camping. You know, I always bring wine when I go camping, so, or I make my own mixed drinks and stuff. I don't like party camp. I do sometimes party camping, but not always. But when I do, these are nifty because they're not really glass. They're BPA free, also made in China, and I love the little glitter around them. So these will be great, I think, for any adventures like that. And it's a set of 4. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't super stoked on this because I don't need them. I have plenty. I like the insulated ones, and these are not insulated. So I really don't need these. These are actually just made of acrylic, so no special anything about that. But there was nothing else I wanted in this category. So this is the downside to subscription boxes. This one's customizable. Some of them you are not even able to customize, but sometimes you see all your options and you don't want them. But luckily they have fixed that, because now you can skip a box. I don't, because you guys watch these videos, and this video is one of my most watched videos, so I would never give up this box even if I didn't want a single item. I think I probably would still get one, so you'll always see me unbox one either way. But this box, I still have enough value. Even if I were to take the value of this out, I would still have enough value from the rest of my box to make up the $54.99 that I paid for. So I'm not really that worried about it, but Category 2 for some reason was just really lackluster for me this time, and that randomly happens not every season, where just one category to me, I completely don't want anything. And if you want the retail value, that Caravan Lazy Susan is a $60 retail value, and like I said, it feels very sturdy, so that in itself already makes up the entire price of my box. The glasses are $48, so even if I'm going to remove that, I'm still going to get the price of my box, especially because I have all these other items to add on to that $60 fee. This next one is actually the one I was most excited for, and it's from Erin Condren. It's a stationery set, so you get cards in here. You're gonna get 4 thank you, 4 congratulations, 4, I don't remember, 4, why don't we just check them out? Let's just check them out. So here are the envelopes. Here we have, hi there. So yeah, there's 4 hello. Just sending a friend like, hi, how are you? Then 4 congrats, well done, congrats, love that. These are really beautiful. I didn't even know they were gonna have gold like this. 4 thanks, that makes sense. Thank you cards are always a must. And then 4 happy birthday. They're all so cute, like literally, these are adorable, and cards are expensive. I feel like I spent a lot of money on cards for holidays and birthdays and all of that. I am a person who really cares about birthdays. Like, I care about other people's birthdays. I just do. I know exactly why, because I have a little bit of birthday trauma myself, which I have talked about in a live video, but it is not for this video. So I really care about making other people's birthdays special or important to them. So if anybody invites me to their birthday, even if it's across the country, I still go. That's just a fun fact about me. I don't know why I ranted about that. It also comes with colorful dual tip markers. Let's try it. We'll use green because that's my favorite color. So we have that size there. Maybe hold it closer. No, we can't see it still. Well, oh, and then we have like really fine. So it just has 2 different size stripes. I really feel like because I did this on white paper, it's not gonna come out very well. Let's do it on our box, and maybe you'll be able to see it here. 1 line, and then that one's so fine, you're probably not gonna see it at all. If you see that, cool. If you don't, there's just a fine tip side and a medium tip side. Honestly, these don't feel like the best quality, but I'm still probably gonna use them all the time. These items also say made in China, and it's a $35.50 value when you put the set together. The next section was the hair care section. So there were 3 different It's a 10 products. There was just the regular It's a 10 leave-in treatment, then the It's a 10 with keratin, and this is for curly hair, It's a 10 coily. You can't tell right now because I straighten my hair all the time, but I do typically have curly hair. So I'm hoping that this really helps with my natural curls. It says enhances natural curls, restores shine, defines curls, defrizzes and tames flyaways, instant detangling, creates silkiness, nourishes hair, lightweight formula, helps reduce breakage, and a thermal protector. So for when I straighten my hair after, it does everything. It's a 10. It has 10 things that it does. It has a lot of great ingredients that help promote hair growth, also help prevent hair loss. It had pea peptides. It has manoi oil, which is the combination of 2 other oils, one of them being coconut oil. It has rice protein, which is supposed to help promote hair growth as well. So there's a lot of great ingredients. There were non-hair care products in this section as well, but I thought the It's a 10 products were probably the best of what I saw available, so that's why we got this one. And that one is made in the US, and it's a $25 retail value. The next section, I got hair clips. So we did another hair item. Ooh, I like the black one. I don't know about this one. It's a little bit shiny, but I don't know that I love the color. The black one's like matte black. These will be good for curly hair days as well because I just like to keep my hair up when it's curly. I don't really love my curly hair too much. I need to learn to love it because it would be so much easier if I just did, and everybody else loves it except for me for some reason, but we always want what we can't have. This is a set of 2 clips for $33. I don't know if I would pay that for 2 clips, but they feel nice. Like they feel like they're gonna last me a while, and they're really big, so if you have a lot more hair than I do, I have pretty short hair. If you have really long hair or whatever, I think you could still fit it all in here. So definitely good for all sizes and like thickness of hair. That one didn't list where it was made. Now the last section, section 6, back in the past, about a year ago, we used to have FabFitFun section 6, 7, and 8, but we did not get to pick that. They used to call them FabFitFun picks, and they would pick them for you randomly, but it was different items. At first it was the same items, then they grew too big to be able to do that. They have too many subscribers to get like that many of just one item, so they started doing a variety, but then we were complaining because we would see other people get an item that we wish we got. And that's it, the FOMO is real. Probably if you got the opposite one, then you would want the other one. They decided though that it would be better if they also made that customizable. So if you are annual, if you're seasonal, you're not customizing section 6, and you could choose. If you want to keep it like FabFitFun picks in the past, which usually didn't have as high of a retail value, you could get a 6, 7, 8, which is what I did. I have 3 items in here. Or now you can get 1 item with a higher retail value, but you only get 6 total in your box. So I did the 8 this time, and I got this hand scrub from Human & Kind. Last summer, or maybe the spring before, we got a Human & Kind body lotion or hand cream or something like that that I loved. So I thought it's going to be a cruelty-free brand. I like that. This is elderflower and raspberry, so I thought a fruity scent would be nice. Let's smell it actually. I can definitely feel the scrub particles, but they're small. My hands already feel good from it. I feel like it's moisturizing as well. So it does say it's a hydrating gommage or scrub. Yeah, I like it. It feels pretty good. I think if you didn't have super sensitive skin, it would be fine, and usually the skin on your hands wouldn't be as bad. I like that. I probably shouldn't have done this as not the last item. I should have waited to make it the last item, but we'll see. We'll just try to scrub some of it off right now. The scent is okay. I don't love it. I feel like I'm not selling this box. Trust me, it's a great box, but it's not strong, which I do like, but I feel like maybe I'm getting the elderflower more, and I'm a fruit girl. Like, I like coconut and mango and all those scents. So for me, when I saw the word raspberry, I was hoping more raspberry, and I'm not really getting that. And maybe when I'm using it as a scrub, I might get that scent out of it. But I'm excited to try it. It is vegan, natural, and cruelty-free. Those are things I care about on this channel. This one is made in Belgium. I'm gonna give you the total retail value of the entire bundle because it's kind of 3 items in one. The next one is from Ico London. I do like some Ico products and then I hate others. So we're gonna hope that I like this one. It's a double-sided pen. So this is kind of like something you can use for eyeshadow, and you have the dark color for the outer corner and then the light color for all over the lid. So the color that we have is Cookies and Cream, which I think is just so cute. And it comes with a little sharpener so you could sharpen them whenever you need, but here is a nice shimmery kind of cocoa color for Cookies. Hopefully that's coming up some on camera. And then Cream looks like a little champagne. Yep, it's a champagne shimmer as well. So they're both shimmery. If you're not into shimmers, I love shimmers, so I'm fine with that. I don't fully love the scent, but I do actually think that I would use these colors. This is made in Czech Republic. And like I said, I'll give you the total of the bundle after we just go over this last item here. The third item is from London Town. That is a nail care brand, and it is a cuticle cream. It looks like this, and it's in a pen form. This might take a while. Oh, it's starting to come out now. You gotta prime the pen. There we go. Okay, we have our little drop of cream, and then you can just, that's cool. It's kind of like a little paintbrush. Hopefully that's easy to clean, but it's silicone, so it shouldn't be too bad. And you just put that right there on your cuticles. This is nice. I like it a lot. I use cuticle oil every once in a while. I'm not the best at it, but maybe I'll do this more because it's like I'm painting it on, you know? Like I'm an artiste. This is definitely more fun than just putting oil on, but I feel like the cream is a little thicker, so I don't know how long it'll take to absorb, and I'm still using my finger to rub it in, so I don't know that the brush is that special, but you know, it kind of just came in the set that I wanted compared to the other sets that were available. This is the one that I wanted, so that was not the reason I picked the set. It was actually for the Human and Kind that I ended up not loving, but we still like it. We don't hate it. That is my spring box. I feel like I did a terrible job of being excited. Honestly, I am super excited for that stationery set, like nerdy excited for it. Like I can't wait to write a thank you card. And the Lazy Susan is super cute. It wasn't my first choice, but I think that I'm gonna get some great use out of it. For the glitter cups, I'm gonna take them camping, and I will post that on my Instagram, and you will see them just cutely on my Instagram story. So shout out to my Instagram. I haven't been shouting it out as much lately, so I'm shouting it out now. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me there. Sometimes I review the products. It's a lot of my personal life, but you also find out when I release videos. So if you wait for my spoiler videos, I always post them on my story like, hey, a new video is out, and link it for you so you can get to it fast if your YouTube notifications aren't working. That is my spring box. As you can see, I definitely got more than a $54 retail value. I actually forgot to tell you the retail value of the last 3 items. I kept teasing you with it like, oh, it's coming, and then I never did it. It's $62 for all 3 of those. The cuticle pen, the hand scrub, I'm sure it's hand scrub, yes, the hand scrub, and then the Ico dual shadow pencil. So that little set, $62. Overall, even with that set, it makes up the value of what I paid for the box. You always get the value of what you paid for the box unless you literally hate every single item. Like sometimes even one item, one section pays for your whole entire box. Most of the time you need 2, but sometimes it's one section and you completely pay for your box. Sometimes the item is like over $100 as well. This was definitely a season where it was a little tougher for me to choose. Sometimes I want it all. I'm gonna show you something that I got extra though. So in one of the last categories, I think the second to last or third to last category, they also had a spoon rest. And my whole kitchen is black, white, and gray. And then I do pops of yellow and blue in both my kitchen and living room. And it's a spoon rest, but it's gray and white. The current spoon rest I have is just stainless, so it's not as cute, I think. So I thought, why not get it? I could get this for $7, I think, so I added it on as an extra item for $7. And it's totally worth it. This is big. That will fit any spoon, period. And it feels nice. Like, this is a good, for $7. You can't go wrong. This feels great. So the total retail value of my box, if we count every single item that was in the box, not counting the spoon rest because I paid extra for that, is $263. That's great. I paid $54.99. Well, actually I paid a little bit less because I am annual. That's a great retail value. Did I love every single item? No, I did not. But did I make my money's worth? Of course I did. It's easy to see that. Just one item I did. Let me know what you think about this box. If you didn't get this box, you can tell me what your favorite item that I unboxed was. If you did get it and you already know what items you got, maybe let me know what your favorite in the spring box is. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!